Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about numerical problems from refraction of light at curved surfaces 10th class physics. The question is an electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table in a line at a distance of 1 meter. In what positions of the convex lens of focal length f 21 centimeters will the image of lamp will be sharp? So first observe the question. Here the positions of the lamp and screen are fixed. So they are kept at a distance of 1 meter. Now we need to arrange a convex lens between them so that the image of the lamp will be sharp, clear on the screen. Let us go. In the previous class we have done with lens maker's formula. Now it is an example for lens formula. The, this is the lamp and screen. They are fixed at a distance of 1 meter and between them convex lens is placed. Now we need to find out where it is. The distance between the lamp and the screen is 1 meter, that is 100 centimeters. And let x be the distance between the lamp and the lens, that is will x centimeters. Then automatically the distance between the lens and the screen will be 100 minus x. That's it. And especially this will be solved by quadratic equation model. And given that the object distance u is equals to minus x. Why? Because we are measuring from the optic center towards the lens and it is in the left hand direction, but the light rays are starting from the bulb and goes to the screen, that is on the right hand side. So that's why negative sign is kept before x. And image distance v is equals to 100 minus x. Yes, it is the direction of the measurement is in the direction of the light. And focal length f is equals to 21 centimeters. And we know very well the relation between the f, u and v are given by the lens formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. And substituting f is 21 and v is 100 minus x and u is minus x in the equation. And now solving this by quadratic equation. Here first let us have an LCM for 100 minus x and minus x. And we can done it with cross multiplication. 1 by 21 is equal to 1 into minus x minus 1 into 100 minus x divided by 100 minus x into minus x. And we can multiply 1 into minus x and 1 into 100 minus 1 into minus x. Here x into minus x into minus x, 100 into minus x. Let us have a resultant equation. 1 by 21 is equals to minus x minus 100 plus x divided by minus 100x plus x square. You can check with the arrow marks whether the multiplication, how the multiplication going on. And minus x plus x will be cancelled. The resultant equation is 1 by 21 is equals to minus 100 by minus 100x plus x square. And cross multiply, we will give this equation that results to x square minus 100x plus 2100 is equals to 0. Now it is in a quadratic equation. We can solve this. After solving, it is in a quadratic equation, we get two solutions. Okay, now for that, let us take 2100 and divide into factors, that is 70 into 30, and we can write it as minus 70 into minus 30, and the sum of the minus 70 and minus 30 is 100. Yes, then the equation can be rewritten as x square minus 70x minus 30x plus 2100 is equals to 0. First, from the first two terms, take x as common, and from the third and fourth terms, take minus 30 as common. So then x of x minus 70 minus 30 of x minus 70 is equals to 0. And x minus 70 taken as common, hence x minus 70 into x minus 30 is equals to 0. That is, we have two solutions here, x is equals to 70 centimeters and x is equals to 30 centimeters. We can place the lens at a distance of 70 centimeters or 30 centimeters from the bulb, we get a sharp image. So we have two solutions here. Students, I hope you understood. Thank you.